Linio is an e-commerce platform, primarily operating in Latin America. It offers a wide range of products, from electronics and fashion to home appliances and beauty items. Users can buy products online and have them delivered to their doorstep. To make money online with Linio in 2024, follow these step-by-step guidelines for beginners. 1. Create an account. First, visit the Linio website and sign up for an account. Provide accurate and complete information to ensure a smooth experience. 2. Research profitable niches. Identify products or categories with high demand and good profit margins. You can use tools like Google Trends, Amazon bestsellers, or social media to find out what's popular among consumers. 3. Source products. You can either buy products locally or import them from suppliers, wholesalers, or manufacturers. Ensure the quality of the products and negotiate the best possible prices. 4. List products on Linio. Create compelling product listings with high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and accurate specifications. Use keywords relevant to your target audience to improve search engine visibility. 5. Set competitive prices. Price your products competitively while maintaining a healthy profit margin. Monitor competitors' prices to stay ahead in the market. 6. Optimize your listings. Improve your product listings by incorporating customer reviews, Q&A sections, and videos. This will help build trust with potential buyers and increase sales. Promote your products. Utilize Linio's advertising options, such as sponsored products or banner ads, to boost your product visibility. Additionally, you can use social media, email marketing, or influencer partnerships to drive traffic to your listings. 8. Offer excellent customer service. Respond promptly to customer inquiries, process orders efficiently, and ensure timely delivery. Good customer service will lead to positive reviews and repeat business. 9. Analyze your performance. Regularly review your sales data, customer feedback, and listing performance. Use this information to optimize your strategies and make data-driven decisions. 10. Expand your product range. As you gain experience and establish a successful track record, consider expanding your product range to cater to different customer segments and increase your overall revenue. Remember that making money online with Linio or any e-commerce platform requires dedication, patience, and continuous learning. Stay updated with the latest trends and best practices to maximize your chances of success.